Okie dokie, we're gonna copy and paste one of the heading boxes. We're gonna delete the text. I'm gonna do 3 steps in one here. And then we're gonna resize it to make it a little taller, but the same width, because if you're looking back at this, and it's a little hard to tell, but these top guys are just a little bit shorter than the rest of these boxes here. So we're going to select the first one. We're gonna Control C, Control V it. So copy, Control C, Control V to paste. Did it paste? No, it didn't. Oof, that's annoying. I'm gonna hit Control Z because I'm gonna get that right in the right place. Okay, Control C. Maybe if I click out of it and then hit Control V, there we go. I'm going to delete the text. Don't add the text in just yet. The only thing we're gonna do, we want to keep it the same width, which is from left to right, but we want to make the height, we want to increase the height just a wee bit. So just make it a little bit taller. Okay, I believe we just did steps 1, 2, and 3. Yep. Now we're going to copy and paste that 3 more times, so we have a total of 4 of those. So with it selected, I'm going to Control C. Then I guess the best idea is to click out of it. We're going to hit Control V. 1, 2, 3. So now we have a total of 4 of those boxes there. Now it says we're going to align them left and distribute them vertically, and then we're going to enter in the values. So I'm going to spread these out a little bit just so it's easier for me to grab them. Maybe. Sorry guys. Okay. So let's do this. We're actually gonna want to align them left with this guy here so that they're all evenly lined up on the left. So I'm going to select item 1 and select that box. I'm going to hold down Shift. I'm going to select that box, that box, that box, and that box. So now we're going to go back up to our format. We're going to go to Align. We're going to make sure it says Align Selected Objects. So what that's going to do, that is going to align all of these selected ones to the left with this one, because that's the one that's furthest to the left. So we selected Align Selected Objects. Now we're going to hit Align Left. That's going to line those up. And then we need to distribute them vertically this time, so there's an even amount of space between each one of these. And what we're not going to do this time, though, we're not going to align to the page, because I just tried that because I forgot. And when I hit Align to Page, it did distribute them vertically, but it distributed them, evenly distribute them over the entire size of the page. Well, we don't want to do that. So make sure that it's still on Align Selected Objects. So we're going to hit Align Selected Objects, and then we're going to go ahead and go to Align. We're going to do Distribute Vertically. So they should, again, evenly space out. If for some reason they are overlapping at all, it's because you didn't have enough space between your top box and your bottom box. So you just need to spread them out a little further and then evenly distribute them. All right, and the last step on this slide is to go ahead and enter in those values. If we look at our other Jeopardy board, you'll see we're just going to enter in 100, 200, 300, and 400. I'm not going to do that with you. Just go ahead and do that now, and I will see you guys on the next slide.